Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how you can purchase ID protection for your domain name. Let's get started. So first of all, what is ID protection? ID protection, also known as WHOS privacy, protects your domain name and contact information from being publicly accessible to other people. So let's get started. Log into your Harmonweb client area. Then in your menu under domains, click on register a new domain. This happens, or you can do this whenever you're purchasing a new domain. So now let's search for a new domain name. Okay, add to cart, checkout. Then this is a very important page that you need to stay on and watch. Watch this video to the end. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. So you want to enable the DNS management, that is free. Then this is ID protection. As you can see, it protects your personal information and reduce the amount of spam to your inbox by enabling ID protection. Make sure you click on it, then it will be added to your total cards amount. It costs 4,000 naira per year. Then you click on continue. It has already been added, DNS management and ID protection. Then click on what? Checkout page. You make your payments and you are good to go. Choose your different among the various payment method available. Choose the one you like, make your payment, and you're good to go. Thank you. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.